I'm going to show you how to stir-fry glass noodles in Thai style. It is very close to the Chinese version. Here we add fish sauce and we don't put any sesame oil. Here are the ingredients for 2 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Start by soaking 100 grams of glass noodles in cold water for 30 minutes. For the marinade, cut the chicken breast into chunks. Put them in a bowl. Add a pinch of salt and a pinch of ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of oil, and 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch. Mix all together. Let it rest while preparing the other ingredients. Cut 2 Chinese cabbage leaves. One-third of red pepper. 100 grams of Paris mushrooms. 1/2 carrot. 1 spring onion. 1 onion. 'Chop a garlic clove. Give 2 scissors cuts to the drained glass noodles. To prepare the sauce, put in a bowl 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, a pinch of salt, and a pinch of ground pepper. Preheat the pan on high heat for 1 minute. Put 1 tablespoon of oil. When the oil is hot, put the garlic. Stir for 10 seconds. Add the marinated chicken pieces. Spread them well. Let them brown for 20 seconds. Flip them and leave another 20 seconds. Briefly stir, then put the pieces of chicken on the side. Lower the fire and add 2 eggs. Scramble them and continue stirring to coagulate them. Stir all together. Put on high heat. Add the carrots and the onion. Stir for 30 seconds. Add the Chinese cabbage, the pepper, the mushrooms. Stir another 30 seconds. Add the glass noodles and the sauce. Stir from time to time for 3 minutes. Finally, add the spring onion. Briefly stir. Cut the fire. Stir-fry glass noodles can be eaten as a complete dish. In the traditional Thai way, we like eating them with jasmine rice. Bon appétit! This dish is delicious and balanced. The textures and flavors are varied. The crunchy of the vegetables combined with softness and elasticity of the glass noodles. Try to eat them with jasmine rice. It won't seem so obvious.